Hello everyone, I want to make a quick video showing how you can set your assignment settings in Teams so students joining your class after assignments already been created can still access that content. So I'm in a sample team that I've got here, and I'm going to go into assignments and I'll create a new assignment. And this brings up the assignment creation dialog with all the regular settings, but I just wanted to highlight one part of this here, which you'll see. So the default settings, if you haven't changed these, are that under assign to, it's being assigned to my class, to all students, but you can see this piece here. It says, don't assign to students added to this class in the future. If you want students that are added, maybe midway through the year or after this assignment was already created to receive this, you can click on edit. And you can switch this from don't assign to students to assign to all students added to this class in the future. So you can just simply click on that, click done. And you'll see now that it will assign to all students added in the future. So you can do that for individual assignments that you're creating. If you already have an assignment that you've created and you have a new student join the group and you'd like them to still see that assignment and have access, you can go into any assignment that you've previously created, click on the three dots in the top right corner and edit assignment. And then you can see that same option under assign to. And I've already set this one that it's going to assign to future students, but again, the default would have been that it's not going to be assigned in the future. So you could just change that and click done. If you want that to be the default for every assignment you create, where you don't have to worry about toggling this each time, back on the assignments, the main assignments page, if we go back there, so in my list of currently assigned and returned work, I have these three dots in the top right corner. And if I click on those, you'll see one option for assignment settings. And if you click assignment settings, you'll see a couple different defaults related to assignments that you can change. The first one is your default due date for future assignments. Personally, I don't want my students working on the assignments and rushing to turn it in at 11:58 p.m. at night. So I'm going to change these so that the default time is it's due at 3:30 each day, 3:30 p.m. And here is our option related to new students. I want new students to receive assignments, even if they were scheduled before they joined the class. So we can toggle that on. And now that default will be saved for all students going forward. And that's really it. We can also, in this same dialog, just to show you the celebrations that students see when they turn in assignments, I think you want to leave that on. They enjoy that. But you can also change where do your notifications go. So by default, they'll go to the general channel, but maybe you're currently working on your digital citizenship unit and you want all of your assignment notifications for this unit to go to that channel. I can just simply click edit here. And I can select the channel that we're currently working on, our current active unit, click done. And now all of my notifications will get posted in that channel for that time. When I move to the next unit, move to computer science, I could come into these settings and just adjust that, make all the notifications go into that unit. So I hope that helps. Just wanted to share that information related to assignments and let me know if you have any questions.